Look at your nose. Right now, in the mirror, on your camera, anywhere. If you see tiny dark dots scattered across it, I already know how that feels. You're not dirty. You're not doing skincare wrong. You're just one routine away from this. I used to avoid mirrors with good lighting. Not because I didn't care about my skin, because I cared too much, and nothing seemed to work. I'd cleanse. I'd moisturize. I'd even buy the expensive serum everyone raved about. And still, there they were. Blackheads, sitting stubborn across my nose and chin, like they'd signed a lease and had no plans to leave. If that's you right now, I want you to exhale, because what you're about to watch isn't a quick fix. It's the actual reason those pores get clogged in the first place, and exactly how to clear them, slowly, gently, properly. Here's what's really happening under your skin. Every pore on your face has a tiny gland attached to it, quietly producing oil. Your skin needs this, it's not the enemy. But when that oil mixes with dead skin cells that haven't shed properly, it gets trapped, sealed in like a tiny capsule under your skin's surface. Expose that trapped mixture to air, and it oxidizes. Turns dark. That's your blackhead. It's not dirt, it's not poor hygiene, it's just biology. Oil, dead skin, and oxygen, doing exactly what they do when nothing clears the pathway out. So the fix isn't scrubbing harder, the fix is clearing that pathway consistently the right way. So let's do that together, step by step, no rushing, no harsh products. Just a routine built the way your skin actually responds, slow, layered, and intentional. Get comfortable, let's begin. Step by step. Routine step 1, oil cleanse. We start with oil. Always oil first. Warm a few drops between your palms and press them gently into dry skin. Not rubbing yet, just pressing, letting the oil melt into your makeup, your sunscreen, the invisible layer of grime sitting on the surface. Now massage in slow circles. Feel how the texture changes, from slippery to silky to almost melting completely into the skin. This step alone removes nearly all surface buildup before it ever reaches your pores. Step 2, foaming cleanse rinse with lukewarm water. Never hot, heat strips your skin's natural barrier. Now a gentle foaming cleanser. Just a coin-sized amount, worked into a soft lather between your hands. This second cleanse clears what the oil left behind, sweat, residue, anything water-based the first step couldn't catch. Pat, don't rub, dry with a clean towel. Step 3, alcohol-free toner soak a cotton pad until it's just damp, not dripping. Sweep it across your face in upward motions. This rebalances your skin's pH and preps it to actually absorb what comes next instead of resisting it. Notice that slight cooling sensation? That's your skin saying thank you. Step 4, gentle BHA exfoliation. This is the step most people skip, and the one that matters most for blackheads specifically. A BHA, salicylic acid, works inside the pore, not just on the surface. It dissolves the oil and dead skin sitting trapped beneath the surface. Apply a thin layer, focus on the nose, chin, and forehead, your oilier zones. Use this 2 to 3 times a week. Never daily, never with other exfoliants on the same night. Over-exfoliating doesn't speed up results, it just damages your barrier and makes everything worse. Step 5, steam, optional but deeply satisfying if you have a facial steamer or even just a warm towel. This is where the magic happens. Heat softens the opening of each pore, loosening what's trapped inside and preparing it for extraction. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Just breathe, let your shoulders drop. Step 6, clay mask now, the part everyone's been waiting for. A kaolin or bentonite clay mask, applied in a thin, even layer. Watch how it sits on the skin, matte, cool, slightly textured. As it dries, you'll feel that gentle tightening. That's the clay drawing oil and impurities up and out of the pore. Leave it for 10 minutes, not longer. Once clay fully dries and cracks, it starts pulling moisture from your skin too, not just impurities. Rinse with lukewarm water in slow circular motions. Step 7, gentle extraction if needed. If after steaming and masking, a blackhead sits close enough to the surface to release easily, you can gently assist it. Wrap your fingers in tissue, apply gentle pressure on either side. If it doesn't release within a few seconds, stop, don't force it. Forcing extractions causes scarring and broken capillaries. The goal is release, not extraction by force. Step 8, targeted treatment. A few drops of niacinamide. This regulates oil production and visibly tightens the look of pores over time. Press it in gently with your fingertips. No rubbing, just patting, letting it absorb fully. Step 9, moisturizer. A lightweight, oil-free moisturizer locks everything in. Glide it upward and outward, never tugging downward against your skin's natural support. Your skin should feel calm now. Soft, settled. Sunscreen if daytime, and finally sunscreen. Non-negotiable. Especially after exfoliating, your skin is more sensitive to UV damage. SPF locks in everything you just did and protects it. Pro tips plus mistakes to avoid, a few things to remember. Don't exfoliate and mask on the same day if your skin is sensitive. Alternate them instead. Don't pick at blackheads with your nails, ever. That's the single biggest cause of permanent scarring. And don't expect overnight results. Pores that took months to clog take weeks of consistency to genuinely clear, usually 4 to 6 weeks before you see a real difference. This isn't a one-time fix. It's a relationship with your skin. Recent transformation, look at your skin now. Smoother, calmer. That dullness from trapped oil and buildup, gone. Your pores look smaller, not because they shrank, but because they're finally empty, clear, breathing. This is what's possible when you stop fighting your skin and start actually listening to it. You don't need 10 products and a miracle serum. You need consistency, patience, and a routine that respects your skin's pace. And that is something you deserve. Thank you for watching.